The All In for Collingswood proposal includes the decommissioning of 2 educational facilities. The Garfield and Sharp community have provided over 100 years of service to our community, rich traditions, rich culture. However, those buildings were never intended to provide the educational services that they're being asked to today.
For us to acquire the Good Shepherd building, the Department of Education requires that we show a need for seats in order to upgrade our facilities, which is what this plan is doing. We need to decommission older facilities that are no longer able to be updated, to be fully ADA compliant, to be fully functional 15, 20 years from now. These are both over 100-year-old buildings.
Given the age of both of those facilities, we weighed the benefits of which facilities were most able to meet the needs of tomorrow, and we decommissioned those 2 facilities, keep the remaining facilities, and then add the much needed educational space that the community has been asking for many years.